let's go ahead and go into further detail and demonstrate how to use the individual modes, the cup mode, the time mode, as well as the espresso mode. So in espresso mode, it's a bit different. So for one, we don't use this. We'll be using a portafilter. We'll also be using a cradle that holds that, okay? So at the start, we're gonna add some beans. These are freshly roasted. Okay, we'll replace our lid. And we're gonna need a very fine coffee grind, so we're going to turn this dial down to the espresso mode. Okay, and there's a little arrow that corresponds with that. All right, up next, with the time mode and the cup mode, we use the set button, but with the espresso mode, when you install this cradle here, it actually automatically switches over to espresso mode for you. So we just push that into place, and you'll see that the picture of the portafilter shows up. I'll show you one more time. So it goes this way. So this button will be on the bottom side. The more narrow part will be at the top. And these line up with here, and that slides into place. And it automatically switches it to espresso mode when you do that. And then you have your portafilter here, and that slides in, okay? And when you push that all the way in, it's actually going to press the button here, which is actually being pressed by this here. And so if you push that in, it'll automatically start grinding for you. And if you push it again, it'll stop. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of that. All right, and we can choose our amount of seconds that we want to use as well. Okay, so when the portafilter gets pushed in, it's going to press that button and it'll start grinding for you. And you can push it again to automatically stop it. But of course, when the timer runs out, it stops grinding as well. So I stopped it a second short, and there you have it. And here we have our beautiful extra fine espresso ready coffee grounds. Okay, in this video we're going to discuss how to use the cup mode. So when we power it on, we should see the cup on the display. Let's get some beautiful coffee beans in here. We'll replace the lid. Okay, so right now we have it set to 1 cup. We can adjust the amount there. So we'll choose 4 cups. And then here, if we hold that button down, the set button, this will actually tell us how much time per cup, okay? So we can adjust that from 3 all the way up to 5 seconds. Okay, so if we have it set for 3.2 seconds, or let's say we have it set for 3 seconds and set for 3 cups, then that'll be a total of 9 seconds for the grind time. And the grind time correlates with how much grinds you actually get. Okay? And there we have our coffee grounds ready for a filter basket. In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the time mode. So to enter time mode, again, you'll use the set button, you'll double tap it. So here we have cup mode, do it again. We have time mode, you see the S there for seconds. All right. So we'll start off by putting in some fresh coffee beans. We'll place our lid. Okay, we'll make an adjustment to choose our grind size. And here we can adjust how long it actually grinds for. So if we bring this down to 9 seconds, or we bring this down to 7.7 seconds, that'll be how long it'll actually grind for. And then when you're ready, you just hit the power button. Make sure you have this in place.